Hello everyone and welcome to this Cookiebot installation tutorial. I am Raffaele, a Drupal engineer and community contributor at Into, a Drupal certified company with experience in complex system integration. This video is in partnership with Cookiebot, a powerful cookie management platform for managing your cookies. In this quick video, we're going to show how to install Cookiebot inside a fresh installation of Drupal 10. First of all, we have installed Drupal locally via ddev, that is a Docker-based tool. And in this installation, we're going to install the Cookiebot config module via Composer, via the standard module. And that way we can use, we can go inside the container via SSH. So we are unable to use Composer to install the module. The first step to install Cookiebot on Drupal is to download the module. And so we're going to the drupal.org website and search for the module. And install the module via Composer. We copy and paste the command that is on the drupal.org page. That way we can we run the Composer require command to install the module inside our ddev container. We need also a Cookiebot profile that we will configure after. So we just downloaded the code of the Cookiebot module, and that way we log in inside Drupal. We have the extend page of Drupal, and in this page we will get the Cookiebot module, and we will be able to install it. After that we have installed the module as an standard module, we will find the configuration page into the Cookiebot configuration section inside the Drupal config section. So the first thing that we need to configure the module is a valid CB ID, that is a Cookiebot domain group ID. And forget this ID, we need to go to the cookiebot.com website, log in, and get this ID. I log in using my Google account in this case. We have a 14 days free trial that anyone can use. So we need to insert the domain of our website, and we copy and paste the domain of our website into the Cookiebot console admin. We can choose the type of the banner. In this case, we choose a bar as a layout. After that, we've set up the layout of our bar. We can go to the implementation section on the admin of Cookiebot and copy and paste the CB ID. So after we've copy pasted the CB ID into Drupal, we open a new anonymous window, and we were able to see the banner, the configured Cookiebot banner on the Drupal website. That means that the installation of Cookiebot is complete. In this case, you can change your consent, change your preferences in cookies and other stuff. And you can also get your consent ID and withdraw your consent if you need it. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate your time and hope you find this content enjoyable. This is a series of 3 videos. In the next videos, we're going to show how to configure Cookiebot into Drupal and how to perform some troubleshooting with Cookiebot and Drupal. Bye!